I'm Chinese Filigree. I was born in the Han Dynasty, when gold and silver began to dance in their own language. My threads are finer than hair, drawn, twisted, woven and soldered into air itself. I once crowned emperors. The golden wing crown of the Wanli Emperor still remembers me. I live in precision, in the patience between every spark of the flame. Today, I return through ZolanJewelry, reborn at the fingertips of artisans who still breathe in the rhythm with history. I'm Lacquer, the patience of 8,000 years. My roots reach back to the Neolithic earth, when humans first learned to seal time with the sap of trees. Layer after layer, I harden with breath and weight, impervious to acid, heat, and decay. I've mirrored dynasties in my surface, painted, carved, inlaid with shells, gilded with gold. My lustres earned, not applied. I'm resilience disguised as beauty. From river relics to contemporary jewels, I still shine as the skin of eternity. I'm brocade, woven from light. My story began in the Neolithic loom, when color first met order. Warp and weft across to build worlds. Tang brocades glowed with joy. Song skills whispered elegance. Ming and Qing robes carried my golden clouds. And I'm embroidery, painting with needle and threads. I was born in the age of Yao and Shun, blooming fully by the warring states. I'm grace, splendor, realism and purity. I preserve softness in strength. I'm Enamel, the art of fire and color. I came to China from distant lands in the 16th century, embraced by the Qing court. Flame taught me transformation. Metal and glass became one under its light. On copper, I gleamed like jewels. On porcelain, I became the royal voice of color. My hues never fade, because they are born of fusion, not surface. I remember every dynasty that cherished me, and still burned with quiet dignity. We are the crafts of time, filigree, lacquer, brocade, and enamel. We carry centuries of skill, faith, and patience. At ZolanJewelry, our story converges again, reborn through hands that still believe in the art's endurance and the quiet power of creation.